Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best common car problems and how to fix them that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Triumph TR4 and TR4A, your expert guide to common problems and how to fix them, by Paul Hogan. This Kindle edition book focuses specifically on Triumph models, making it ideal for owners of these classic cars. While the price isn't listed, the specialized focus and expert-level insights make it a worthy contender for enthusiasts. The guide is well organized and dives deep into Triumph TR4 and TR4A specific issues, offering step-by-step solutions to common mechanical and electrical problems. It includes diagnostic advice and practical tips for maintaining your vehicle, making it a valuable tool for DIY mechanics who want to save on repair costs. The design of the book is simple and readable, with clear instructions and diagrams that even beginners can follow easily. One downside is that this guide may not be useful for those who don't own a Triumph TR4 or TR4A. It's highly specific in its scope. Additionally, without a price listed, it's difficult to assess its overall value proposition compared to the other products on our list. However, if you're a Triumph owner, this guide is a must-have for your toolbox. Sliding into the number 3 spot is First Aid for Your Car, your expert guide to common problems and how to fix them, RAC Handbook by Carl Collins. Priced at $9.99, this guide strikes a great balance between affordability and quality, offering a robust collection of solutions for everyday car issues. What sets this book apart is its affiliation with the RAC, a trusted name in automotive care. The guide provides practical advice on fixes for everything from engine troubles to tire maintenance, making it suitable for car owners who want a comprehensive yet straightforward resource. The layout is clean, with clear diagrams and step-by-step instructions that cater to both beginners and intermediate users. It's also written in an engaging tone, making it enjoyable to read while still being highly informative. On the downside, the price is slightly higher than the budget options on this list, and it doesn't focus on specific car models like some other products. However, for a general-purpose guide, it delivers excellent value and is perfect for those who want a reliable, mid-range option. Taking the number 2 spot is Common Car Engine Problems: How to Test and Fix Them, Save Time and Money, by Keith Hegarty. This Kindle edition book is completely free, making it another strong budget option for car owners who want to tackle engine problems without breaking the bank. This guide's standout feature is its focus on engine-specific issues, providing detailed explanations of diagnostic techniques and repair strategies. It's ideal for those who want to understand the inner workings of their car's engine without relying on a mechanic. The instructions are concise, and the guide includes troubleshooting tips that can save you both time and money when dealing with common engine failures. Despite its focused scope, it lacks coverage on other aspects of car maintenance, which may limit its usefulness for those seeking a more holistic guide. Additionally, while the free price tag is appealing, the content leans more towards intermediate users, so complete beginners may find it a bit challenging. That said, if your main concern is engine issues, this guide is hard to beat. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is MG Midget and Sprite, your expert guide to common problems and how to fix them, by Terry Horler. Priced at $15.99, this is the premium option on our list, and for good reason. It's a specialized guide aimed at owners of MG Midget and Austin-Healey Sprite models, offering unparalleled expertise for these classic cars. This book is a treasure trove of detailed solutions to common issues, covering everything from engine repairs to electrical troubleshooting. The comprehensive content is supported by high-quality images and diagrams, making it easier to follow along with the repair process. The design and build quality of the guide are excellent, reflecting the premium price tag. The user experience is top-notch, as the book caters to both seasoned mechanics and hobbyists who want to keep their vintage cars in pristine condition. Of course, the higher price point means this guide is best suited for those who own the specific models it covers, or enthusiasts who value detailed, expert-level content. If you're in the market for a general-purpose car repair guide, this might not be the best fit. But for MG Midget and Sprite owners, it's an invaluable investment that delivers exceptional value for money. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.